Okay, so we came across this 1992, I believe it is, action-packed All Madden box of packs, 24 packs in a box. Copyright says 1992. It's the 8th annual. Says it's got 24 karat gold stamped card inserts. So thought we'd have to at least open a few, right? Let's go down a little ways here. Let's see what's in this one. So we got Art Monk, little stuck together cards here. Another Redskin, Gary Clark. Oh, got the kicker, the All Madden kicker, Kevin Butler. Another Bear, Tom Waddle. Chuck Cecil from the Packers. And a third Redskin, Darrell Green, Hall of Famer. Very cool. Gonna reach in and open up another pack of these 1992 action-packed All Madden. Let's go in the third row. Let's just go right off the top of the third one here. Let's see how we do this time. Oh, starting out with the fridge. William Perry. Oh, nice. Emmett. Pack Fresh Emmett. Chuck Cecil. John Jumbo Elliott. Mark Brippen. And the final card is David Fulcher. Action-packed All Madden. Okay, you talked me into it. One more All Madden pack. 1991 action-packed All Madden box we just found going through this card shop inventory. Let's go almost to the bottom. About as deep as I can get without ripping the box. So this one's the magic one, right? Let's get a 24 karat gold card. And on the front, oh, Barry Sanders right on the front. Beautiful. Ricky Jackson. Eric Kramer. Jay Hilgenberg. David Fulcher. And last but not least, Fred Barnett. Action-packed All Madden.